Hello viewers! In this video, we will fix an error that appears when trying to open any Microsoft Word file. The error message says, "Error, the application was unable to start correctly. 0xc0000142. Click OK to close the application." This type of error message appears when opening Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. So, how can we fix it? Let's follow these simple steps. Right-click on the Windows icon and click on Apps and Features. In this window, search in the search box for Office. You will find the installed version of Microsoft Office. Click on this software and then click on the Uninstall button. Click Uninstall again. The uninstallation of Microsoft Office window will appear. Click on the Uninstall button. The uninstallation is now in process. It's done. Now again, search for Office. You can see here that Microsoft Office is uninstalled. Now go back to the Microsoft Office setup for new installation. Right-click on the MS Office setup file and select Run as Administrator. Select the desired applications and then click on the Install Office button. The installation is now in process. Once done, click on any Word file to open it and check the error status. You can see that no error message appears now.
I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.